Hey everyone, so today we are going to start harvest 2024. We're going to start doing some soybeans today. Usually we do some corn first, but we got 80 acres of beans here at home that are ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and start with them and then probably switch back to corn. But I got a new combine this year, got a John Deere 9760. I upgraded from a John Deere 9600, and then we also got a new bean head. It's a John Deere 635F. So it should be quite the upgrade. Hopefully everything works good on them. But we're gonna get the head hooked up and see if we can try some of these beans. Hey everyone, it's a couple days later. It rained yesterday, so we didn't do any combining, and I didn't get any filming of the first day of harvest because I spent a lot of time adjusting and setting the combine exactly where I wanted it, and since it was a new machine to me, it took me a little while to get everything figured out on it and dialed in where I wanted it. So it didn't end up getting too much combined, but we did get both semis filled up. So we're gonna go get these unloaded this morning while I'm waiting for the dew to get off the beans. I store my beans at a farm that I rent about 6 miles from here. It's got 3 grain bins on it. They're smaller bins, but I can hold about 20,000 bushel between the 3 bins. So works pretty good for storing beans. We already took the auger up there. So my dad just left with the International. So I'm gonna take off with the Peterbilt and be right behind him. So let's go. Back to combining beans here at the home farm. Gotta say, I'm really impressed with this 9760. It can really eat soybeans a lot better than the old 9600 could, so really happy about that. Got the ag leader in Command 1200 display as the yield monitor and mapping, and then it's also running the ag leader steady steer for my auto steer. But we're cruising along here pretty good. My wife Kate is running the grain cart and my dad is running the semis, so we're just gonna keep on going. Got this farm done, so we don't have any more beans ready to go right now, so I think what I'll probably do is switch the combine over to corn tomorrow, and then yeah, we'll try doing some corn at least for a week or so until we have some more beans ready to go. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, thanks for watching.